What influences organizational structure? In this course, we'll review common determinants of how organizations define structure. An organizational structure defines how activities such as task allocation, coordination, and supervision are directed toward the achievement of organizational aims. The most appropriate structure for an organization depends on many things. Let's discuss each influence in more detail. One of the most important factors influencing the appropriateness of different organizational structures is the business strategy. Simple designs are appropriate for simple strategies, and more complex designs are necessary when strategies require more complex processes and interactions. Matching organizational structure to the business strategy leads to higher firm performance. Another important factor is the company's external environment. Rapidly changing environments require more flexible structures to deal effectively with the constant changes. This usually means that authority needs to be decentralized in some way to process relevant information and adjust to the changing environment. A third factor influencing organizational structure is the nature of the organization's talent. An organization's size also influences its structure. Smaller organizations tend to be less bureaucratic than larger firms. Larger organizations tend to have greater specialization and departmentalization, greater hierarchy, and more rules than do small firms. Larger firms also benefit from lower costs due to economies of scale. The larger an organization and its subunits, the taller the hierarchy, the greater the centralization, and the more bureaucracy it operates. And the greater the chances of conflict between managers and employees. A fourth important factor influencing organizational structure is the organization's expectations of how employees should behave and what attitudes it wants to encourage or suppress. The decision is based in part on company values. If employees are to be encouraged to make decisions and work collaboratively, a decentralized and flat structure is appropriate. A fifth factor influencing organizational structure is the organization's technology or primary production system. As organizations change their strategies and adapt to the changing environment, they often modify and change their structures to support the changes.